Ngayon, makakausap na po natin si Angel Honrado, General Manager ng NAIA. Sir, magandang tanghali po, CPR.
Magandang hapon at magandang hapon sa lahat na nakikinig sa iyong programa.
Sir, kamusta na po yung operasyon ngayon ng airport? May mga canceled flights na po tayo?
Yes, yung CAIR nag-cancel ng flight for the whole day, no? Hopefully they can resume operations tomorrow. Yung Philippine Airlines nag-cancel ng flight kaninang umaga and we have not received any word from them whether they're going to continue their afternoon flight. But we are still waiting from the word from Philippine Airlines. Sa Cebu Pacific, marami na rin yung na-cancel at marami rin yung delayed. Some of the canceled flights are going to Butuan, Tuguegarao, Calibo, Davao, Zamboanga, Cagayan, Katiklan. And we have also cancellation flight going to going to Tuguegarao.
GM, kamusta naman po yung international flights? Yung operasyon po ba nila? Normal, wala naman canceled?
Yeah, we continue to receive take-off and landing from international flights.
Sorry, GM, kindly repeat that po.
Hello?
Yes, GM, kamusta yung international flights?
Yes, we have been receiving international flights coming in to Manila.
Okay, so walang cancellations po?
Yes, but we have a lot of delayed flights because of the weather. Yung late na pagdating ng turnaround aircraft nila.
Alright. Well, GM, para dun sa may mga international flights na hindi na-cancel, palabas, no? Kung may mga flight pa po sila ngayong araw na ito, paano ho sila kaya, what's the best way for them to get to the airport kung eto nga
Alam mo, Pia, ang biggest challenge natin ngayon rito is how passengers can get to the airport, no?
Kasi nga,
because most of the roads leading to the airport are flooded. Nandito ako sa Terminal 3 at nakadanlang ko from Paranaque, Sky, no? At magmula doon sa Circulo del Mundo, papunta ng tramo, talagang stand still in traffic because of the flood there. Even marami sa park and ride. So, ang advice ko lang sa ating kababayan, nalilipat ngayong araw na ito, kung hindi importante ang lakad nyo, explore the option of rebooking for other days.
Okay. At pag gano'n, so GM, kung may mga katanungan sila, diretso na po sila sa kanilang airlines, no? Or hindi na po kailangan tumawag sa airport?
Yung airline nila will be the best kung matutuloy ang flight o hindi. At sabay na sila magpa-rebook kung di matutuloy ang flight nila. Pero
GM, just to clarify, yung runways naman natin, clear naman po yan. Wala naman pong tubig sa loob ng airport.
Well, we have been receiving arrivals and departure flights. Except yung sa Terminal 4 na flooded yung rampa, kaya hindi makapag-operate ang kaya nag-declare ng suspension ng CAIR for today.
Alright. GM Angel Honrado, maraming salamat po. Good afternoon po sa inyo.
Good afternoon.